Hi, in this video we're going to look at the subtraction of two vectors. So we've got the vector A, which is equal to 5, 3, and the vector B, which is equal to 2 minus 4. So we're going to look at the idea of doing vector A minus vector B. So what does a minus a vector mean? Well, let's have a look. If this is the starting point, so first we do A, so we go along 5 and up 3. Now minus B means do the opposite thing. So here we had to do plus 2, so now we have to do minus 2. So we go back 2, and here we had to go down 4, so now we have to go up 4. So it's like doing the opposite thing. So it's 5, 3, and then minus 2, 4. So that's the result of doing A minus B. This is the single vector. Now you can get the column vector by just taking the two original vectors, 5, 3, and 2 minus 4, and subtracted them. So 5 minus 2 gives me 3, and then 3 minus 4 gives me 3 plus 4, which is 7. Now what happens if we do it the other way around? So we'll do vector B minus A. So we're going to start here at this particular point here. So we're going to go 2 along and down 4, and then we have to do minus A. So A was originally 5, 3, so the opposite of going 5 is go in the opposite direction, which is minus 5, and the opposite of going up 3 is to go down 3, and we end up here. And this represents the single vector. So if we did write down 2 minus 4 minus 5, 3, we're going to get 2 minus 5, which gives me minus 3, minus 4 minus 3, which gives me minus 7. Now if we look here, we've gone back 3, down 7. Okay, so the vector A minus B, vector B, is not the same as doing vector B minus vector A. In fact, vector A minus vector B is the same as doing vector B minus A and then taking the negative result of it. If you look at this one, this is 3, 7, this is minus 3, 7. So doing minus a vector is to is to go the opposite way. So this is vector B, this is vector minus B, is going that way. We're to put the arrow that way. Okay, I hope you've understood. This has been a video to introduce the idea of the subtraction of vectors. And I thank you very much for watching. The GeoGebra applet I will put in the notes of the video.